After nearly a 3-year lull, IPOs seem to be back in favor. Various mid-sized infrastructure companies are mulling going public in the next 6 to 12 months.
Last couple of years have been very bad for fresh capital raising. What I can sense right now is that companies are getting ready. Some filings will take place between now and September end. We may see some rush in the second fortnight. Rush in the sense that there could be 10-15 offer documents at the best, because people will like to file with their March accounts. And then actual IPOs may start happening somewhere post Diwali. And then in case the mood continues, the investment mood continues, and the macro scenario gives us a reasonably optimistic picture, and the secondary market most importantly remains stable or buoyant, then you can expect 3, 4, 5 IPOs to hit the market on a monthly basis.
At least 10 such companies will raise money worth nearly 6,000 crore rupees in this period. These companies include GMR Energy, Madhukan Projects, and Inox Wind. Over the last half a decade, infra companies have stacked up huge debts due to delays in land acquisition, environmental clearances, and fuel supply constraints. With the markets now trading at lifetime highs after the BJP government gained power, these firms are looking to tap into the equity markets to raise funds.
I think while the objective of a lot of these infrastructure companies has been is currently to basically raise money to substantially retire their debt, because they have been operating with a lot of debt exposure for the last 4-5 years, having not been able to raise an equity. Investors are not going to be very kind to the sector as a whole. I think the success would be very specific to companies which can demonstrate transparency, which can demonstrate a good business model, which has obtained all approvals, and where investors can see the company's growth and not wait in the future in dark.
These IPOs will follow a revival of sorts in the qualified institutional placement market. Experts are seeing these QIP issues as a precursor to an impending revival in the IPO market. These IPOs have been triggered by a sentiment revival among the investor community. The new Modi government might be less than 100 days old, but its business friendly image has raised liquidity in the equity market.